Okay guys, so today we're going to be showing you a cool new product for all your Toyotas out there that are going to replace the stereo. We're going to show you these. These are a new bracket that goes on the side. They're Toyota side wings or fascia panels that actually go on the side of the stereo. Now, these are really cool. They're made by a company called Aerpro. We are releasing them today on our website, Carbon Car Systems, but it's got a built-in USB and a built-in AUX port. It's a 3.5mm jack just here. And these are really cool because traditionally you actually get these what's used for fitting on a Toyota. So these are the very basic versions and they actually go on the side of your Toyota like this. And they mount up really nice to fill that 200mm wide widescreen hole that goes in your dash when you're replacing the stereo. And that's typically on every Toyota from 2005 onwards up until pretty much current, a lot of the new models as well. Now, that's the traditional method to do it, but the reason we're going to switch to these today or release these on our website is I find these much easier to install because A, they only have these little portions. They don't have this big chunk here on the unit. So on some of the Subarus, which have the same style stereo, this section needs to be cut out in order for these wings to actually fit the vehicle. So these ones here, these will actually fit a lot nicer for those Subarus. Very easy to fit. They line up on the holes on the stereo perfectly on all the double-din units on the market because they have holes on the side here specifically designed for Toyotas and Subarus. And the other reason is it just has the USB and the AUX port, and really they don't cost a lot, much more to get this unit. But what you can actually do, it's as simple as running it and plugging it into the AUX port on the back and any of the USBs, and then you have this new USB access point which is going to be on the side of the unit. So very easy to do. It keeps all your cables nice and neat and really affordable. So I think the part number for these is ATB3. They are available now on our website and shipping. They will fit, like I said, all Toyotas out there from 2005 onwards. But make sure you have a USB port and a 3.5mm jack on the back of your stereo if you are using something other than this type of Kenwood unit. But we really prefer the Kenwood units. We use a lot of them. We think they're really reliable, super fast. So check those out on our website, guys. But hope you enjoyed that. That's a cool new product.